All right, HVAC people, got a no cooling call here. I say it's a mercy. Whoa! I say it's a mercy. Got a dog up in there. Let's say his dog cannot be in the heat. It's a non-negotiable. Oh, you got two on.
Let me try to get the dog from the back.
All right, what? You got a unit back there?
No, it's on the side.
It's on the side?
You want to start on that one?
No, I'll start on this side, work my way out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, it's on that side.
Okay. All right.
Come on, dog.
There you go. Looking at me for now. Go. He said he's gonna try to put the dogs in the backyard. I must not listen to him. I guess I gotta wait out here 30 minutes or something. I guess everybody get a cold front, man. We was getting warmer weather. I thought we were through with the cold there. When that wind blowing like this, you know something heading this way. All right, so what you got?
So he got the message. So AC was saying it
AC.
ran from 8 to 10 and started getting warmer.
Okay.
So,
all right.
And then when we woke up this morning, it was like I have to turn it off. But
all right. No problem. What's the where's your thermostat?
upstairs.
Is it blowing it off?
No, I have it turned off.
Okay.
It was just making.
All right. All right. So I start at the thermostat.
You want me to turn it off or on?
Show me where the thermostat is. I'll turn it on.
Well, I can do that right here.
Okay.
What do you want to turn on? What?
Yeah, you can turn it on.
So what?
Just make sure I turn on. Is it lower the set point? What it is in here, about 75, 80?
It's Alexa. What's the temperature inside?
The kitchen temperature is 79.3 degrees.
Yeah, so put it about 70 degrees right now.
Yeah, I think that's what it defaults to. Or 72.
All right. Okay, so we do got blower motor. So it looks like the filter's been changed. How often you change the filter? So it's 80 on the inside.
Yeah, I change them all the time.
Okay, good.
I'm not listening. I have this is my brother's rental. I live out in Baller, and
Okay.
I have if you don't change the ACs out there, they fail quickly.
The filters? Yeah.
Everything fails.
Mm-hmm. All right. So it sounds like the blower motor running, so that's good.
So this all started yesterday when those idiots out there were working on it.
Uh-huh.
They kept surging the power.
Oh, okay.
And I noticed it was getting warmer and warmer and warmer during the day.
They kept, so the power,
And
the power kept flickering or something?
Yep, they kept surging. They were running new lines of power or something.
Okay.
And
Okay, so no compressor, no compressor.
and it was off for like 20 minutes or 30
Okay.
minutes or whatever. And and then they got yelled at by everybody, so they turned the power back on, and then it just came back.
All right, I'm gonna go take a look. Yeah, something going on out there because compressor not on. So I'm gonna take a couple pictures up in here, and then I'll go out there and work on it.
I had the same exact thing happen up in my house at Baldwin.
Yeah, they
So
need.
we have power outages all the time up there.
Yeah, they need a surge protector.
Yep. I put two on there.
All right.
Well, look, yeah, it is. Look, it shrank. Yeah, see, look, it shrank. Like it's not. This was not like it.
Yeah. What's the name of it? Is
It's vinyl.
just vinyl, huh?
It's vinyl. It shrink. This is vinyl planks. They just shrink.
Oh yeah. That's,
Just crap.
yeah.
So.
All right, let's see what we got.
Yeah. So you shouldn't even go in the backyard. So.
Okay.
Dogs will leave it on.
All right. If all that fails, the breaker is on the side of the house or the garage.
It's all right here.
The break. Okay.
Right there. And then there's the opposite.
Okay. Yeah.
There's the opposite.
Okay. That works. All right. Thank you. All right. All right, folks. So it should be calling it cool. You say these guys right here. Turn the power on it now. Sound like we got a fan, but that compressor, I don't think it was circulating in the refrigerant. Yeah. The only thing going right there is the fan. So it's probably gonna be a bad cap. As you can see, ain't nothing going on here. So this might be a cap and go, people. All right. So I still got the unit running. I just want to see if we're gonna check the amps. That verify we ain't got no compressor running either. As you can see on here, fan. I gotta get to moving too. I got another car I need to get to real quick. But the fan motor rated for 1, so we check the amps coming in amps. Probably not getting but one amp or 109 or something like that. And you can see this kind of swole up right there, so definitely going to be a cap. Let's check the incoming amperage. Yep, here you see we got 1 amp. So we know that cap gone. Yeah, man, we got a cold front coming down south. 1st of April. Yeah, April 2nd. Excuse the wind noise. So keep the power. Keep that power. Like I say, this thing's swole. I'm not gonna even check the. I'm not gonna even check the microfarads on it. I know for a fact that's what's wrong with it. Alright, so we discharge that cap. Kind of burn up too. Better. I ain't that warm though. Let me go ahead and check. We can go ahead and check it. Make a good video if we check it, right? Alright, so I'm going to comment to her, and we're going to go ahead and check the fan, even though the fan was working. That's her. See, I got OL. Let's check that fan. The fan was on. That's the fan right there. The OL on both of them. Oh, my bad. We need to check. Let me check microfarad. It's microfarad. So I got about 1 or 0 on the fan. Let's check that. Check that again. And like I say, we got 1. All right. So let me go around and get a cap. All right. Coils look pretty good. So I wanted this surge have anything to do with it. Alright, so this red one is gonna come, man. I'm gonna show hell is the horn? Alright, so let's check the amps again. And we had like one last time, so I'll check it. Alright, let's fire it up. There you go, that's about 8.3. Alright folks, there you have it. Let it run about 5 minutes, I'll check the pressures.
Brother already lost one dog to the heat.
Oh yeah?
Remember that last time during the stretch when there was no power for 10 days?
Oh wow.
Yeah, they couldn't get it on it. They couldn't get the power up here, and he has huskies. So
Yeah, they don't like the heat. Yeah, but
they just can't survive. They're not.
I got it back up and running.
Oh.
It'll start, give it a minute. It'll
Well,
start cooling
it's faster,
down.
right?
Yeah, probably blew
Same
it.
thing happened at my compressor boiler. Blue.
Yeah. But it's overcast. Give it about an hour or so, it'll start cooling down. I'm gonna check the pressures and stuff like that too.
Yeah.
But I don't need to get back in, I don't think.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Well, I mean, it's actually cooler outside.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah.
Like I said, I was just, the reason I was asking, I was like, I gotta make a decision.
Yeah, no.
Put him in a hotel or something, if not,
no.
I can't put him through that again.
Yeah.
That's, if you've ever seen a dog die of heat, it's the most painful thing to ever
I
watch.
bet.
Yeah.
I told you folks, what he was saying. He told me it's a non-negotiable. I gotta get out here today. Gotta get out here today. I'm using my hand though. Shoot, I went on like this. It's about 80 degrees. Better put them outside. That's beer can cold there though, folks. And I ain't gonna worry about checking no pressure. It should be good. I'd expect it, yeah. Say the dogs.